Before you scroll any further, stop for a second. Just pause. Take a slow breath in and let it out without forcing it. This message is not meant to be rushed. You did not find it randomly. It showed up right now for a reason. There is something subtle happening in your life, not loud, not obvious. It has been growing under silent space and things that were never fully said. Someone has real feelings for you. Not a crush, not a phase, not attention dressed up as love. This is a quiet kind of love. Careful, controlled, deeply emotional. The kind people keep hidden because it feels too important to mishandle. And the strange part is this: you already sense it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the hidden signs that someone is secretly in love with you. If this kind of message connects with you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss what comes next. Now think about this. Why did you click this video? What made you stop and listen? You did not click by mistake. You did not stay out of boredom. There was a small pull inside you, like this might finally explain something you could not put into words. Recently, your emotions may feel heavier than usual. Your mind may keep drifting toward someone without a clear reason. You might sense someone emotionally even when nothing is being said. That happens when someone keeps thinking about you. And when feelings are strong but unspoken, they do not disappear, they move. This person thinks about you more than you know, not briefly, not lightly. They think about you when the day begins and late at night, when distractions fade and honesty gets louder. They replay moments, conversations, small details you probably forgot. You left a mark without trying, not by chasing attention, just by being who you are. They admire your emotional depth, even when you keep it hidden. They respect your strength, especially the kind built through hard experiences. They are drawn to your energy, not just how you show up. What confuses them is how natural it feels, how effortless the connection is. This is not new for them. This love did not start suddenly. It grew slowly, quietly, almost unnoticed. At first they brushed it off. They called it curiosity, then respect, then concern. Until one day something changed. Your happiness started to matter. Your sadness affected them. Your absence felt louder than anyone else's presence. That is when fear stepped in. Because caring about you means being vulnerable, and vulnerability is something they struggle with. They have been hurt before, enough to become careful enough to choose silence over risk. They have not spoken because you matter, not because you are complicated, but because you are important. They worry that saying something could change everything. They worry they could lose you. They worry the feeling might not be mutual, and that fear keeps them quiet. So they care indirectly. They watch from a distance. They support silently. They love privately. And somehow you feel it. Maybe as sudden emotional waves, maybe as memories that are not even yours, maybe as a sense of being thought about without explanation. That is emotional connection, moving without words. When someone holds in feelings with intensity, the energy does not fade. It reaches you quietly. You might feel it as pressure in your chest, a pull to check your phone, a name floating into your thoughts, a calm mixed with longing. This is not coincidence. Now, slow your breathing again. Do not force anything. Let the first letter come naturally, not the letter you hope for, the one you feel. For many of you, the name carries a calm but intense energy. Quite observant, protective, emotionally deep. For some, it may be J torn inside but sincere. For others, it may be K strong on the outside, softer than they show. If one letter caused even a small shift inside you that matters, this person sees your value. They do not just feel attraction. They feel respect. They notice how you care without needing praise. They see how you keep moving forward, even after being tested by life. You inspire them to become better. And that is why this love scares them. Their silence is not indifference. Listen carefully. It is not lack of feeling. It is too much feeling. They hold back because words cannot be taken back once spoken. They wait because they want to approach you the right way. Not rushed, not careless, not selfish. They do not want to be just another person in your life. They want to matter, Something is about to shift. This connection is reaching a turning point, a message, a conversation, an unexpected moment. It will not be dramatic. It will not be perfect. It will be real, and when it happens, you will recognize the truth instantly. You are more loved than you realize. If you have ever felt unseen, this message is for you. If you have doubted your worth, this message is for you. If you have wondered whether someone would truly choose you, this message is for you. Someone already has. Quietly, patiently, deeply. What happens next depends on you, but now you know someone is in love with you. Their name begins with the letter you felt, and this connection is not over. If this message resonated, like the video, share it and subscribe. Thank you for being here.